5 minutes to choose the best gemology book for you around the world. I recommend this book, the book number 167, Opal. Here. So if you want to know how to cut opal by yourself, or if you want to know advanced technique, cutting and secret how to cut beautiful, so I recommend this book. Tell you everything, many design how to cut opal. Okay, this book tell you how to cut opal dome, cabochon or doublet, and then carve border opal, and design and assemble inlay opal jewelry, and then treat crack opal and stabilize matrix, protect your opal in a setting also, and then design jewelry using pearl technique, dipper technique, finish a design project step by step. Okay, and then find a new jewelry design idea. So everything about how to cut opal, I recommend this book. And this book named Opal Advanced Cutting and Setting by Paul B. Downing. Here, this book published in 1999, 24 years ago, and 138 pages. Here, everything's about author and his experience 30 years ago, about 30 years plus. So this book already 24 years, so you can, it's a many years for experience, and then you can know and make an idea how to cut in opal. Okay, everything in here, the first chapter, and then here, all they have. The first one, here, what it's all about, what you should know before using this book, and then what you will learn, advanced cutting and setting opal, and after that chapter 2, cutting challenge opal, okay, multiple bar out 5, the base line of 5, multiple line of top, curving line thick or thin, okay, and then imperfection, pit crack, how to cut deep is gold, and then loving a birthmark, and then to dome or not to dome, dome or like redirectional and dome, and then thin opal, dealing with pit paint and curving the doublet, thickness of opal, density of opal, and then triplet dome also, and then after that carving border and outer opal, carving equipment, border opal, solid opal, and interior basic process of simple project, some design idea, and then inlay, simple inlay, advanced inlay, so tell you everything how to cut, right? And after that using chip, the chip jar, floating opal, chip triplet, inlay chip jewelry, and then treating crack and stabilizing matrix, treatment process, equipment, treatment ethic, and then basic setting, unique, your overall basic of lost wax setting, equipment need wax tool, pendant, ring, okay, tell you everything, deeper design technique, design principle, balance, negative, space, structure, strength, everything how to do, and design procedure, pendant, deeper ring, prong, angle prong, design trick, prong, perfect, purple, flexible wax. So everything's how to cut, the setting of opal, sort and design idea. You can know jewelry design of author and respect for designer, finding jewelry designer to learn from, and design for nature, your environment, everything in here. So interesting, this book. So here inside they're telling you the detail like this, and some picture, have some drawing, and then tell you step by step how to cut everything. This one a doublet, triplet, you can know, and then you can follow on this book. Very good quality book, so if you want to know more, you can learn inside. Cover everything how to cut and setting opal right here to improve, get more better facet, better like cabochon like that. And then here imperfection, finding pit and crack. Yeah, and then after that you can know where you can cut, how deep does it go, right? But some picture is show black and white, but it's not too much in the picture that show color, so have in the middle we show you after that. The dome or not to dome tell you how to consider, and then the angle, the light, the redirectional and dome, and after that doublet thin opal. Okay. After that here advanced techniques, thickness of opal, everything. And after that carving border and other opal. So interesting carving equipment, the finding the theme, pre-training, and then picture to remove some dirt, and then you can show that show iridescent. Finish the back, carving solid opal and intarsia. Basic process, a simple project. So this is assembling and intarsia here, and then I will show you picture for this design. Okay, this one black and white color, right? And then inlay, you can know how to cut in inlay technique, right? Start with the setting, and then here so interesting tell you cover. I think cover everything about opal, very good book. And then treating crack and stabilizing metric. Okay, how to treatment, process, treatment ethic, and description of color plate. And this one show you more color, and then you can know this is opal ready for setting. Okay, this already polish and make beautiful, and after that you can put in your ring on your pendant. And after that this one cutting multiple line or 5, see chapter 2, and then carving or sanding a border opal, you can know how to do in the chapter 6. And after that this one intarsia design, see, and chapter 7 how to do, right? Tell you one by one in this chapter. And the next inlay process, see chapter 8. Wow, so nice. Wow, so nice. And after that candle dipro and stick dipro design, you can see in chapter 13. And after that here pendant design, see chapter 13 also. It's so nice if you want to make like this. And ring design, see chapter 13. Wow, so beautiful, right? And basic setting technique, dribble design technique, and then design procedure 13, and then setting opal. After that sort of design idea, how to know, and then the new beginning, the end. Okay, hope you enjoyed the whole book. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. ขอบคุณค่ะ